Hey viewers, you are watching this video and I am Shudha. In a major relief for India during the ongoing global energy crisis, Iran has reportedly allowed Indian oil tankers to pass through the crucial Strait of Hormuz. The development comes at a time when tensions in the region remain high due to the ongoing conflict involving Iran, the United States, and Israel. The breakthrough followed talks between India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi. The discussions reportedly helped ensure safe passage for Indian ships through the strategic waterway. Following the development, at least two Indian flag tankers Pushpak and Parimal are reported to be passing safely through the Strait of Hormuz. This comes even as vessels linked to the United States, Europe and Israel are reportedly facing restrictions due to the ongoing conflict in the region. The report was also highlighted by Amit Malviya, a leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. Malviya shared the news on the social media platform X with the caption India First, indicating that the development could be an important diplomatic success for New Delhi. Meanwhile, a Liberian flagged oil tanker carrying Saudi Arabian crude oil and captained by an Indian also successfully crossed the Strait of Hormuz 2 days ago. The vessel later reached the port of Mumbai. It became the first ship headed for India to safely pass through the waterway since maritime traffic slowed sharply after US and Israeli strikes on Iran. Earlier, the commander of the naval wing of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps had warned that ships seeking to pass through the Strait of Hormuz must first obtain permission from Iran. Without such approval, vessels could become targets of Iranian attacks. The ongoing military conflict has now entered its second week. The fighting has significantly reduced shipping activity in the Gulf region and pushed global oil prices higher. Many international shipping companies have become cautious about sending vessels through the Strait of Hormuz because of security concerns. Iran has tightened its control over the passage of ships through the waterway. However, Tehran has indicated that vessels not linked to the interest of the United States or Israel may still be allowed to sail safely. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important shipping routes for energy supplies. Around 13 million barrels of oil pass through the strait every day, which accounts for nearly one-third of global oil shipments. Any disruption in this narrow waterway can affect oil exports from countries such as Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Experts say even a short disruption can impact global energy markets, supply chains, and fuel prices around the world. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.